Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. Let's learn some colors. We have different colors: brown color, green color, red color, sky blue color, orange color, purple color, violet color, pink color, light green color, sky blue color, yellow color. We are drawing letters from A to Z. Let's start. Letter A. Now I am drawing letter A. A is for apple. A. This is letter A. Letter B. B is for ball. B is for banana. C. C is for cherry. D. Letter D. D is for duck. Next to letter D is letter E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish. G. G is for goat. H. H is for horse. I is for ice cream. J is for juice. K is for kite. L is for lamp. M is for monkey. N is for nature. O. O is for orange. Letter O. P. This is letter P. P, Q, R. After P is Q and then letter R. R is for rabbit. S. Letter S. S is for sunflower. T. T is for tiger. U. Umbrella. V. W. Watermelon. X. Xylophone. Y. Yo-yo. Z. Zebra. Let's color these letters. Dark brown color. Letter A. A is for apple. A is for apple. Letter B. Purple color. B is for banana. Letter B. C. Letter C. C is for tree. Green color. And this is light green color. D. D is for duck. Letter E. Red color. E is for elephant. F. Pink color. F is for fish. Orange color. Letter G. G is for goat. Sky blue color. H. H is for horse. Black color. I. I is for ice cream. Violet color. Letter J. J is for juice. Yellow color. Letter K. K is for kite. Dark blue color. Letter L. Line. Light green color. Letter M. Monkey. Orange color. Letter N. Nature. Sky blue color. Letter O. O is for orange. Pink color. P. P is for parrot. Dark green color. Q. Q is for queen. Red color. R. R is for rabbit. S. Violet color. Sunflower. Purple color. T. T is for tiger. Yellow color. U. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for watermelon. Yellow color. X. Xylophone. Dark brown color. Y. Yo-yo. And the last letter is Z. Light green color. Z. Z is for zebra. Dear kids, do the same practice, like this video, share it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.